So today's video is on the smallest linen closet ever. 7-inch deep shelves. That's all I have to work with. And it is our only linen closet in the entire house. So if you're interested to see how I organize it, keep watching. The first thing I like to do is see exactly what I'm working with. The next step is to remove everything. With everything removed, you can put like items together and get rid of things that are no longer needed. Don't forget, after everything is removed, give your space a good wipe down. From IKEA. We chose metal shelves because I thought it'd be better with the moisture. It's a bathroom. And I'm just going to show you exactly what I'm working with. So the actual closet dimension is 32 by 11. I knew I needed hanging storage, you know, for towels and robes. So I tried to fit as much as I possibly can in here. I actually went with shelves that are 25 wide, 7 inches. That's what I'm working with, 7 inches. But we can do it, and I'm gonna show you how. I always start with putting the bulkier items in first, like paper towels, toilet paper, and tissues. Next, I put the robes in since I know exactly where they are going. So I'm going to start putting everything back now. Folding to fit a 7-inch shelf is a little difficult, especially when you have bulkier blankets. So I sort of did the fold and then rolled it. Also sheets, I don't like folding sheets either. I fold the flat sheet, in between I put the fitted sheet and the 2 pillowcases, and I just wrap it so it just looks clean and nice, and you can just grab the whole thing when it's time to change the beds. I also try and keep it organized by child. They can come in, grab their sheets, and they know what they need, and they can change their own bed. Next is towels. So I just do a fold in half, fold again, and then, you know, that style. I used to have them up this way, but I feel with the girls might be easier for them to use it this way, so when they pull one they don't start to fall. They do keep 6 towels, so 4 here, 2 hanging. And then I have this little basket which I've had. I got this at Walmart probably about maybe 4 or 5 years ago. I actually still think they have them. And these are nice because you can put these little tabs up and stack them, so that's pretty cool. But for today, we're just going to use them for hand towels, washcloths, and their poofies. I don't know what they're called. Now that all the towels, blankets, and sheets are in, I can see what is left to be organized. I found this lunch storage tower at the dollar store and thought it would be perfect for Q-tips and cotton rounds. Here's another basket, same one as that. This just holds some extra shampoo, extra face wash, extra Q-tips, and also Epsom salt. Again, the roll method, which I will show you now. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I fold the blankets. So I fold in half. And then I fold it in half again, the other way, the other direction. So you sort of have a square, and then you put it on a flat surface. It's much easier to work. And because I need it to be not as wide, I'm gonna go this way. So I go one in. Hi, buddy, come. And the other side comes over. And I flatten this out, and then I start rolling. Well, actually, I do fold in fours, but because it's so thick, it sort of just becomes a roll. And that's how to do that. And lastly, their tails and their hair tails, which is great with these little hooks. So I'm able to fit both. And that is it.
If you found this video helpful or just liked it, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.